Welcome back to 5 Minute Fiduciary. If this is your first time joining our weekly production, we have one goal: to provide good content to fiduciaries of 401k plans in 5 minutes or less once a week. When you're looking at buying a new car, some of the things that may come to mind may include fuel economy, price, safety, dependability, and the list can go on. If I have a job that requires me to move heavy loads of sand and gravel, my hybrid sedan may not be the best fit for that. And I'm probably not going to take a sports car through swamps and rugged backcountry. Having access to a vehicle can be extremely beneficial, but having a vehicle that is appropriate for the purposes you intend it to be used for is much better. Similarly, when a company has a retirement plan, it can be very beneficial, but having a plan that is appropriate for the purposes, the structure, and the objectives of your business is much better. Whether you're looking at starting a new retirement plan for your company, or you're taking a step back to evaluate your plan, the first question you ask yourself is the same: what is the purpose of this retirement plan? There are a lot of different types of company retirement plans to choose from, and there are a lot of ways to structure a plan. It's good to take a step back and make sure that the plan is set up to meet your objectives and your goals. Another thing to consider is business structure. If I'm driving a whole lot of kids to soccer practice, my needs are much different than if I'm driving my normal commute. A company with 20 employees is going to have different needs than a company with 500 employees. And if there's a large income disparity between employees, there may be other considerations to take into account. It seems like costs always come up in these conversations, but understanding the type and structure of retirement plan that makes the most sense for your company also depends on the cash flow. To sum it all up, a company can make the most out of their retirement plan by honing in on their underlying goals and objectives and structuring their plan to meet those specific needs. Thanks again for joining us. If you have questions or need a second opinion on your retirement plan, please reach out to us. Please note that this is not intended to be tax or legal advice. If you need tax or legal advice, reach out to appropriate professionals.